The whole world is dealing with huge garbage problems. So let's know how the whole world is taking new steps to avoid the garbage problems. Fact number 1. Any idea what to do with these plastic waste? So let's know how Indonesia started new idea of collecting these plastic waste. In Surabaya, Indonesia residents can pay for bus rides with plastic waste instead of money. Passengers can swap 10 plastic cups or up to 5 plastic bottles depending on size for 2 hours travel. Once the plastic waste have been collected, it is auctioned off to recycling companies. This scheme is meant to encourage the citizens to recycle as much plastic as possible. Fact number 2. In Taiwan, garbage trucks play classical music such as Beethoven's Fear Alice to alert the public to bring out their trash. On collection day, residents gather on the street with bags of trash and throw them into the trucks themselves. The government implemented trash doesn't touch the ground. This system is to eliminate vermin and odor. So please comment how garbage truck collect garbage in your locality. Fact number 3. In India, EcoNature Recycling Company recycles many different types of plastics and gives amazing different designs of furniture. They make furniture with 2 types of plastic. First, the hard plastic under which plastic bottles and plastic buckets comes, and the second, the soft plastic under which the polythene bags comes. Before making, they make sure that there's no any soil combination before making any furniture. Fact number 4. Jambi Mathe, a 29-year-old Kenyan woman, discovered a way to recycle plastic waste into bricks that are stronger than concrete.